So we've been working on the project for about 4 weeks now. We received the designs from Anitra. We were blown away with her designs, and we've been working on getting the different products and things. We finally got to meet John and his family, and they welcomed us into their home to begin the work. I have Paul with me today. I'm gonna actually have Paul talk about the drywall products that we have used in this remodel. That way he can get into a little bit more like techie stuff.
The National Gypsum Purple Board High Impact is on the walls, and then we have the sound break on the back wall. It really creates a nice natural barrier between this space and the interior living space. Keep the party out front. So there's gonna be a man cave. So we're gonna have an area for him to exercise, an entertainment area. We got a big surprise in store for him behind me. It's just gonna blow his mind. I'm not gonna give you too much. I'm not ruining the surprise. Just stay tuned, because what's gonna go down in here is really gonna be amazing.
I can't wait for John's family to see what we have put together for him and to see his expression when he sees the whole theme that we have going on in his man cave.
Yeah, it's really gonna be amazing. We're really excited and honored to be here putting together something for somebody who's done so much for our country.